Welcome to Naija channel. We are here to entertain you with a series of videos. Naija always promotes videos from our presenters both home in Nigeria and all over the world. We do our best to be up to date with breaking news, gist and gossip from your favorite presenters. Naija will always ensure to bring entertainment to your doorstep and to your household. We also encourage those who want their voices to be heard both in Nigeria and all over the world to come be a member of the ever-accommodating Naija family.
Do you love to be updated about what's going on around you? Your roots, both home and abroad? Do you want to be updated about situation reports, speeches, and comments from your favorite presenters? Then look no further, because Naija channel is your #1 channel. Do endeavor to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share videos to your friends and your families. And also turn on your notification button so you can be updated and notified whenever we upload our latest videos.
Thank you for being a member of the Naija family. We are always accommodating, and do not forget to share and like our videos. Bye bye and God bless you.